Okay, everyone, never ever turn off the lights in my house. If you come to my house for a party we are hosting and you are invited to that party. So, when you are in my house, never ever do this. That is a no. You leave my lights on. Or else you will be kicked out of my house. Which I don't want to happen to anyone that I know. Especially if they are my best friends. I don't want to kick them out of my house because they are doing this during the parties that we are hosting here. So I am dead serious. When you are in my house, you better respect my property. Do not turn off my lights. Do not tamper with my fire alarm. You don't do any of that. You respect my property when you are in my house. Bye.